Okay, pre-algebra, here are a couple of examples of how to do the dividing by mixed numbers today. Remember that your very first step would be to write it horizontally if it wasn't already, and this one is. So the next thing you need to do is the U-turn. So we're going to multiply here and add on the top, and 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. So we have 16 over 5. And then here we'd have 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16. We'd have 16 over 7, and it is negative. And then, so now what I do, the next step would be to change the division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. So now we'd have 7 over 16, and it's still negative. This whole thing is negative. It doesn't matter where the negative is. So I'm going to write it like this. Negative 7 over 16. Now the last step is to cancel where you can. So we're going to do those. 5 and 7 won't cancel, so we'll multiply across, and we have negative 7 over 5, and you can leave the answer like that. Here's another example. So it said that the first thing you need to do is write it horizontally, and remember your top number is always first. So I'm just going to go ahead and move up the negative 2 1/4 to here, and write negative 2 1/4 sideways, because this means right here, negative 5 5/8 divided by negative 2 1/4. So this is a division problem right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and erase this down here. Our next step is to do the U-turn. So that would be like that. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 5 is 45. So I'm going to put 45 over 8. And then 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So I'm going to write 9 over 4. And now I need to change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction and make that 4 over 9. Now I cancel where I can. That would be 1. That's 5. This is 1, and that's 2. When I multiply across, I get 5 times 1 is 5, and on the bottom, 2 times 1 is 2. They were both negative, so my answer is now positive. I can leave it like that, and that's the answer. Those are the little examples I'm doing, but if you get stuck or there's one that is a little bit different, just let me know. I'd be happy to help. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.